Ever feel like your business runs on a million different tools, and you're constantly juggling them? Today, we're diving into Cinc, a platform designed to streamline and supercharge your business operations. So, what exactly is Cinc? At its core, Cinc is a comprehensive platform that combines various essential business functions into a single, integrated system. Think of it as your all-in-one business command center. Cinc's core functionalities are diverse and built to help you manage different aspects of your business. You can quickly organize your projects from start to finish, oversee client communications, or make better informed decisions based on powerful, real-time analytics. Cinc aims to simplify workflow processes by allowing you, as a business or organization, to consolidate and automate different business processes. Whether it's lead management, project tracking, or financial reporting, all of your data is centralized. Now, who is Cinc for? Cinc is designed for businesses and organizations ready to centralize their workflows. If you are an organization looking to improve efficiency, boost communication, and gain in-depth insights, Cinc could be the perfect tool for you. But what makes Cinc unique? Its value proposition lies in its ability to provide a unified platform. It's not just about individual tools. It's about how they work together seamlessly to save you time, reduce errors, and improve overall productivity. Understanding Cinc's purpose is key, so now you are ready to try it yourself. Explore the platform further via the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful overviews like this one.